Good morning, student. This is Dr. Narendra Singh, and today we'll discuss product, brand, and product life cycle. So, what exactly the product is? Product is anything that can be offered to satisfy the needs and wants of the customer is called a product. Product further classified into two categories, that is a goods. First one is a goods, and second is services. Goods, we can say that are tangible things that we can touch, feel, and smell, and services intangible that we cannot see. Further, there is a number of companies that offer a product to the customer to satisfy the needs and wants of the customer. Further, we will discuss the brand. What exactly the brand is? Brand is, according to the Philip Kotler, the brand is a product from the noun source. It's called a brand. Like there is a in a FMC sector, like ITC company offer various product to the to satisfy the needs and wants of the customer, like besan, atta, suji, and nowadays sattu. So ITC, there is a many company that use company name with the product, and there is a many company that use different name of the different brand name for the product, like ITC do not use their company name with the product, like Ashirwad Atta, Ashirwad Suji, Ashirwad Besan, Ashirwad Sattu. That is a different brand name from the company. In a similar case, like Samsung and Voltas, they are offering a product to the customer like AC, washing machine, refrigerator, and they are using a similar brand name of the company to the with the product. Further, we will discuss the product life cycle. So, what exactly the product life cycle is? There is a 4 stages of product life cycle. In some books, you will find 5 stages of the product life cycle. The first one is introduction, second is growth, and third is maturity, and fourth is declining stage. So we will start from the introduction stage. So what in an initial stage, when a product marketer offer a product to the market, so first of all they have to introduce their product to the customer. Like there is many product, like a technological product, like using product, they have to a marketer have to educate to the customer about their product. Like there is a window, there is any new version comes in a market of a window, so they have to, first of all they have to introduce, they have to educate to the customer how to use that product. And some product like a no soup, if we use if we offer like a marketer offer no soup to the customer, so in an advertisement first they just educate to the customer that how or pure how. So that is education that is provided by the marketer to the customer in an introduction stage. And in an introduction stage, the sale of the product is very low, and advertising expenses is very high, and the profitability of the product is very low. Next comes the growth stage. In a growth stage, the product start to the sale of the product start to increase, and a little bit advertising expenses is less than the introduction stage, and the profitability also start to increase. And the third one stage is a maturity. In a maturity stage, there is a huge profit made by the organization or company, and the advertising expenses is less, and the sale of the product or brand is very high in the market. Next is a saturation. Saturation, we can say that in a saturation stage, the sale of the product is saturated, and there is a low advertising expenses, and profits start to decrease. In a last stage, that is a declining stage. In a declining stage, products start to decline. There is the advertising expenses is very low, and sales start to decrease, and sales start to decrease, and the profitability also start to decrease. So further we will discuss that what kind of advertising we use in different stages of the product life cycle. There is a three type of advertising a marketer use in a product life cycle: the informative, persuasive, and reminder oriented.